Today is the 50th anniversary of one of the greatest victories on the battlefield and the highest example of valor and sacrifice. On this day, brave Indian soldiers defeated Pakistani invading army on the battlefield of Asalutar in Punjab. Havaldar Abdul Hamid of the 4 Grenadiers made the supreme sacrifice. He was awarded the highest gallantry award, the Paramveer Chakra, for laying down his life, paving the way for demolition of the enemy in the war of 1965.
After capturing Khemkaran, Pakistani army was heading towards the village of Asalutar, 7 kilometers inside the border. The one armored division of Pakistan, armed with 300 Patton tanks, attacked Asalutar on September 8. The nearby village, Chima, also came under fire of the enemy attack. The Pakistani army, driven by brute force off the Patton tanks, was advancing menacingly with an ambition of capturing Amritsar. The Indian Army was determined to give a befitting reply to Pakistan. The command was with Lieutenant General Harbaksh Singh. He had devised a brilliant strategy to encircle the enemy from 3 sides in the formation of a horseshoe.
पूरी रात हमारे ऊपर फायर होता रहा, पूरी रात आर्टिलरी फायर करती रही, टैंक फायर करते रहे, पर कीचड़ के ऊपर वो आस्ता आस्ता फंसने शुरू हो गए। हमारे जो टैंक्स थे जो कि जैसे मैंने बोला उनकी क्षमता काफ़ी कम थी, पर बड़ी बहादुरी से हिस्सा लिया और उन्होंने काफ़ी टैंक्स पे मार की। और उसके अलावा हमारे जो सेंचुरियन टैंक्स थे वो हमारी जो रिजर्व ब्रिगेड, आर्मर्ड ब्रिगेड से आ गए। तो जब सुबेरा हुआ तो हमको ऐसे लगना शुरू हो गया कि दुश्मन ने अपने टैंक्स जो हैं वो छोड़ के भागना शुरू कर दिया। तो ये 2-3 दिन की बड़ी घमासान लड़ाई हुई, 4 दिन की। और उसके अंत में जब हमने काउंट करने शुरू किए तो दुश्मन के लगभग 180 टैंक जो थे वहाँ से मिले, जो कि ऑलमोस्ट पूरी डिवीजन।
50 years ago, on September 10, 1965, a golden chapter of valor and sacrifice was added to the nation's history. A brave son of Mother India had brought doom to the enemy. His name was Company Havaldar Abdul Hamid. His unparalleled valor had blown the enemy away at the battlefield of Asalutar. Jawans of 4 Mountain Division and Havaldar Abdul Hamid of 4 Grenadiers had put such a brave defense of Asalutar that the enemy was blown away. Abdul Hamid brought his mounted recoilless gun in front of the fire, spewing enemy tanks. Displaying unparalleled spirit of sacrifice, he destroyed 3 enemy tanks, one after another. He had already destroyed 4 tanks the previous day. While he was aiming for the 4th kill, the enemy tanks took shot at his position and he was martyred, defending the motherland.
एक वक्त ऐसा आया कि जैसे कि कच्चा धागे से कोई भारी चीज़ लटकी हुई हो ना, कि हमारा डिफेंस की वो हालत हो गई थी कि कब ये धागा टूट जावे और कब ये हमारे ऊपर चढ़ जाए। उस वक्त जो है अब्दुल हमीद ने लगातार एक के बाद दिगरे फटाफट 3 टैंक मारे।
For the extraordinary valor and sacrifice, Havaldar Abdul Hamid was awarded with the highest gallantry award, the Paramveer Chakra. Pakistani force was badly mauled at the Battle of Asalutar and it beat a hasty retreat. The victory of Asalutar proved to be the turning point of the 1965 war. The famed Patton tanks, upon which Pakistan had based its entire war campaign, were demolished at Asalutar. In all, 97 Patton tanks were destroyed in a single day. The place between Asalutar and Chima villages, where the 97 tanks were destroyed, is named Patton Nagar to commemorate the decisive Indian victory over Pakistan. With Dheeraj Kumar, Chandrasekhar's report, DD News.
We're heading for a short commercial break. Keep watching Breakfast Show.